Everything you need to know for APCSA Unit 6, Array. Starting now. Arrays are a data structure that allows you to store multiple primitive or object reference data of the same type as a single variable. Generally, in order to create an array, we need to declare the array's type along with square brackets, its variable name, the new keyword to signify that we're creating a new object, and then the same data type along with the size of the array in square brackets. Note that after the array is instantiated, its size cannot be changed, and all of its elements are initialized to either 0, false, or null depending on the array type. Just like strings, arrays have index values from 0 up to the array's length minus 1. We can use square brackets and a valid index to access or modify an element in an array. But if we try to access an index outside of the array's range, we'll throw an out-of-bounds exception. If we know what the elements are in advance, we can use an initializer list to initialize the array, and all of an array's characteristics still apply. Loops can be used to access elements in an array using their indices, but be careful with off-by-one errors. Index loops can be rewritten as an enhanced for loop and vice versa. Also known as the for each loop, these make it easier to traverse an array by using a copy of an element itself without having to use an index for each iteration. It uses a header that contains the enhanced for loop variable to be used within the loop, the variable's data type, a colon, and the array object to be traversed. Due to the variable taking in a copy of an element, assigning a new value to the variable will not change the actual value in the array. There are many algorithms that involve array traversals, such as determining if all elements in the array have a particular property, or shifting all elements to the left or right. The for each loop can come in handy if you want to access all elements in an array, as you don't need to worry about indexing and off-by-one errors. Otherwise, if you want to access a select number of elements, or just want to use a standard loop, pay attention to your loop header and look out for index values and its corresponding value in the array.